Ninth class student, exercise is 10.5 circles. Question number 9 is at adjoining figure 2 circle intersect at point B and C. B and C, these point draw a line segment BPQ and BDA, that is point D, and join C2Q and C2P and A to C, C2D, at first given is 2 circle intersect at 2 point B and C. Through B line segment PBQ and ABD. Which intersect the circles A, D, P and Q, that is given to prove is in figure angle this equal to be proved. Angle ACP is equal to angle QCD. To prove is angle this angle equal this angle. Angle PBA is equal to angle DBQ. cross two line AD and PQ intersect the P, तो then angle vertically opposite angle. Angle QCD equal angle QBD lies on same segment. This angle and this angle is same. DQ will be called as angle PBA is equal to angle ACP. Lies on same segment of another triangle, another circle. Therefore, angle ACP is equal to QCD. Hence proved. That is the complete the question of 9. Question number 10. 10 is a triangle ABC. Draw the two circle as diameter of AC. Let the diameter of AC and at point D. Question number 10 is given is triangle ABC draw circle with diameter meter AB and AC. Which intersect at point D. To prove is point D lies on BC. Or angle BDC is equal to 180 degree. Or straight line construction is join A to D. A to D proof is angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. Angle CDA is equal to 90. Both angles lies on semicircle. Adding both angle ADB plus angle CDA is equal to 90 plus 90 is equal to 180. Angle BDC after both angle plus, you can write the D lies on BC or point BDC is a straight line. Hence proved. Question number 10 is complete. 11 question is two right triangle common hypotenuse AC hypotenuse of AC is hypotenuse, right angle is D and other side is angle B is 90. Given is right triangles ADC equal angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Common hypotenuse AC. To prove is angle CAD equal angle CBD. Angle CAD angle equal CBOD. CAD equal to prove and CBD construction, draw a circle, with diameter AC, which passing through D and B, that is circle passing C per OP is angle CBD is equal to angle CAD, because both angle lies in on same line segment, same segment with chord CD. Question number 11 is complete. Question number 12 is a cyclic parallelogram will be a rectangle. At first write the given cyclic parallelogram ABCD. Cyclic, that is circle, parallelogram, ABCD. To prove is parallelogram ABCD is a rectangle. To be proved the rectangle, each angle 90 per OP is angle A is equal to angle C, opposite angle of parallelogram. Opposite angle of parallelogram are equal, but ABCD is a cyclic, too also. Angle A plus angle D, angle C is equal to 180. Cyclic quadrilateral have opposite, sum of opposite angle is 180. Angle A equal angle C have proved angle A is equal to 180, angle 2 is equal to 180, then angle A is equal to 180 upon 2, 90. Angle A 90, equal angle C is equal to 90. That is ABCD is a rectangle. Hence proved. Exercise 10.5 is complete. Thank you.